Heirloom Shower S4040 Overall Assembly. Attach two back panels to the front frame with 1/2 inch stainless metal screws, then set the front frame and back panels onto the base. You need 2 or 3 people to move them. Move the function panel to the corner of the base. Connect water supply hoses to the water inlets on the valve, connect water supply hoses to the overhead, handheld, and foot massager. Make sure all connections are watertight. Connect power. Then install the function panel to the back panels from inside with cup washer and metal screws. Place the chrome covers onto the cup washers.